name's Brooke with WTI. Do you ever need hot water when you're camping? And wouldn't it be nice to get that water quick? Maybe you need your coffee before you're even awake enough to start a fire. Well, can you imagine not starting a fire and getting your coffee? This is the best thing for camping. This is BLUU's portable stove. This kit has everything that you need. It has your ignition that screws onto your propane gas tank, and it also has the gas tank stabilizer that fits inside this can here. It has your pan stabilizer. I like how compact it is in that you can just fit things inside and then it saves space. But in addition to that, it's very light, so it's 0.22 pounds, which is not going to add a lot of weight. And when you're going on a backpacking trip, weight is so important. The lighter things just make a world of difference when you're going very long distances. I love that this heats up the water in 2 minutes or less. So if you need that water quick for your coffee, your oatmeal, your ramen, your survival dinners, that's gonna save you so much stress as far as being out in the elements. So it's great to have yourself set up and prepared. This is just a wonderful addition to any camping trip. I also like that it has the handles. It makes it great for pouring, and there's a steam vent with a pour hole in the top as well on this silicone lid. This is a super amazing product and it works so great, and it really does make our camping experience very fun. And that's my point of view.